Okay, time for a good unboxing. This might change some plans I had. That's okay. Pretty sure I know what it is, and yeah, could be a game changer. Projects can be rearranged, you know. Not that I'd ever put anything off. We'd never do that, but oh, oh yeah. Oh, score mystery. Yes. Huh. Oh, what a doll. I mean, really? Mm-mm-mm. Skyline GTR 91. And this, well, I had to sneak this in, you know? Hmm. I'm thinking a couple of fast movers. It's time to get the track warm, isn't it? Speaking of warming things up, I got something else. I was told I was getting coming in the mail. I opened it. Just curious. From Fast Tracks. Said they were going to send me something for some barbecue grill action. And check it out. Mm. Man, oh man. Anybody that knows, knows. Look at that. Barbecue beef recipe right there. Well, thank you guys. Really, really, really appreciate it. It's going to go to something good, I'm sure. But back to the toy cars. Yeah, we're going to have to take a closer look at both.